If you want clean, high-quality screen recordings with smooth zoom effects, subtitles, and clear audio, without wasting time on complex settings, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a simple and powerful screen recording tool that can help you record your screen, tutorials, and gameplay effortlessly. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, I will open my browser and search for Nero Screen Recorder. Then, from the search results, I'll open the original Nero website. You can also find the link for this in the video description. This is a very lightweight screen recorder where you can capture high-quality screen recordings along with your webcam, excellent audio quality, and features like auto zoom and auto subtitles. Nero Screen Recorder is specifically designed for high-quality screen recording, capturing smooth and dynamic gameplay, and creating professional tutorials with ease, while also offering flexible options that allow you to adjust recording settings according to your specific needs. You can download the software from here, but since I have already downloaded and installed it, I will go ahead and open Nero Screen Recorder now. As soon as the software opens, you will see a clean and small floating bar on the screen, which serves as the main control panel for this software. When you click on this folder icon, you will see your previous recording history and the option to continue an existing project. Nero Screen Recorder provides you with multiple ways to record your screen, including window selection, freeform, and full screen recording. In the window selection mode, all the open or minimized windows on your computer are displayed. For example, I will select the YouTube window and click OK. Now, only the YouTube window is being recorded instead of the entire screen, which is extremely useful when you want to focus on just one specific application. In the bottom right corner, there are some recording settings available, which I will explain in a moment. Now, let's close it. Next is the freeform recording, where you can select any custom area of the screen by clicking and dragging with your mouse, and only that selected area will be recorded. This option is best when you want to highlight a specific part of the screen without any distractions. The final and most commonly used option is full screen recording. When you click on this, Nero automatically detects how many displays are connected to your PC. Since I have 2 display screens connected to my PC, I see 2 options here, and I will select Display 1. A small adjustable settings bar appears at the top, where the first option shows the resolution of the screen being recorded. The next option is the FPS setting, where you can choose between 30 FPS or 60 FPS depending on your recording needs, and I am selecting 30 FPS here. After this, there is a picture-in-picture option where you can add a camera overlay, followed by the microphone option where you can turn the mic on or off depending on whether you want to record your voice. After configuring all the settings, I click on Start Recording. The timer begins, and the screen recording starts smoothly. Now I can record whatever I want, and my entire screen is being captured in high quality. After recording for a few seconds, I stop the recording, and after a brief loading period, the recorded video automatically opens as a project file. Here you can see 2 very powerful built-in features of Nero Screen Recorder. The first feature is Auto Subtitles, which automatically generates subtitles for your recording if there is a voiceover or any audio. You can easily create them by selecting your preferred language from here. This saves a lot of time, especially for tutorial videos. The second feature is Zoom. When you enable Auto Zoom, the software intelligently detects your mouse movements and clicks to automatically apply smooth zoom in and zoom out effects, making the video more engaging and easier to follow. I will stretch the timeline and play the recording so you can clearly see how the auto zoom follows the cursor movements and clicks. As you can see now, wherever our mouse moves or clicks, the software zooms into that exact spot. In addition to auto zoom, there is also a manual zoom option where you can add zoom in and zoom out effects yourself if you wish, which can be added by clicking this plus button. Furthermore, you can increase or decrease the zoom level from here, adjust it according to your preference, and reset the zoom at any time by clicking the reset button. Once you are satisfied with the recording and the zoom effects, you can export the video by clicking the export option. Here, you select the location where you want to save the file. For example, I will save it to the desktop. You also get many advanced export settings, such as selecting the video encoder and choosing the output resolution yourself, allowing you to easily record screens up to 4K. For now, I will leave it on auto. After that, you can choose the video bitrate, whether you want to keep it low, medium, high, or leave it at the original setting. At the top, you have options to export only the video, only the audio, or both video and audio. And I am selecting both here before clicking export. After a few seconds, the recording is successfully processed and saved. When you open File Explorer and go to the selected location, you can see the final video, which features smooth auto zoom, clear visuals, and professional quality. So, if you are looking for an easy-to-use and powerful screen recording software, you should definitely try Nero Screen Recorder. The link is in the description. Visit the website and download it from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.